In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form using Google Docs that can effectively gather information from your audience or team. Let's dive into this process with a step-by-step guide that will make you a Google Forms expert in no time. First, head over to Google Forms and log into your Google account. If you're not already familiar with Google Forms, it's a powerful and versatile tool for creating surveys and forms for gathering data easily. Whether you're running an event, conducting a survey, or simply gathering feedback, Google Forms is the perfect tool for the job. Once you're logged in, you'll see the option to create a new form. You can either start from scratch with a blank form by clicking on the plus icon, or if you prefer, choose from a range of templates already designed to fit specific purposes. This choice offers you flexibility depending on your design preferences and needs. After deciding your starting point, it's time to give your form a title. Click on the designated area to name your form, something clear and relevant. This will be your introduction to users filling it out. Next, provide a description under the title. This space allows you to give respondents more context or instructions, ensuring they understand the form's purpose and fill it out correctly. This can be particularly helpful if your form is somewhat complex or has multiple steps. Now let's move on to the main body of your form, creating questions. Click where it says Untitled Question and input your first question. A basic example could be asking for a respondent's full name. To diversify the types of data you collect, use the drop-down on the right to change the question type. Options include short answer, multiple choice, checkboxes, and drop-downs. If you need to gather more information, click the plus button on the side to add additional questions to your form, like email address, phone number, event day preference, payment option, and special requests. This feature ensures your form is comprehensive and meets your specific data collection needs. For any critical questions, toggle the required switch at the bottom of each question. This ensures no one skips over necessary information needed for your data gathering. To customize your form visually, click the palette icon at the top. Here, you can change theme colors, background, and even font style to suit your brand or personal taste, making your form more appealing to respondents. Once your form design is complete, click on the Settings tab here. You'll find options like collecting email addresses, limiting responses to one per person, and crafting a personalized confirmation message. These settings help ensure your form runs smoothly and provides useful feedback. To preview how your form will look to users, click the eye icon at the top. This allows you to see the form from a respondent's perspective and make any final tweaks needed for a seamless user experience. Finally, when you're satisfied with your form, it's time to share it. Click the share button at the top right. You have several options for distribution: email, direct link with a convenient URL shortener available, or embedding the form on your website. Adjust share settings to broaden access, allowing anyone with the link to respond if that's what you prefer. And that's it. You've created and shared a Google form that will help you seamlessly gather the information you need. Thanks for following along, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.